the shape is not quite right. Welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I will be doing a makeup product review, and as you can see, I don't have anything on my eyebrows. I know it looks so weird, and I don't have any products there. This was sent to me by iMethod, and I want to test it and see if it works for me. They emailed me and see if I wanted to review one of their products. So here it is in this package. I'm gonna show you how I do these eyebrows using this product. This one is Perfect Eyebrows in seconds. iMethodbeauty. Thank you, iMethod, for sending this to me. Eyebrows is the hardest thing to do. You know, like if I go somewhere else, I had to do my eyebrows. I want to make it like even and nice, or if I do it right. So let's open this box and see what's inside. And on the back it says the ultimate brow set. What's in this box are stencils, pomade, sponge brush, dual-ended spoolie, and angled brow brush. It's a zipper pouch for your beauty drawer or handbag. I'm so excited to use this one. I have a black hair. I just have a haircut. I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I know it's not very long. So I have my hair done. I know it's short right now. From now on, I want my hair longer. And I have this color right here. The color I got is 06. I use a lot of eyebrow pencils, but we'll try this, guys, because this is a stamp. You can check their website. They have eyebrow stamps, and they also have eyeliner stamp. You can also find this at Amazon.com. I'll put the link in the description box. I haven't tried eyebrow stamp before, but before I open this box, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. You know, I never have this using stencils for the eyebrows. Let's open this box, guys. Ooh, it's nice. It's in this little pouch. Here it says iMethod right here on this pouch. When you travel, it's a nice size because it's not bulky. You can just put this anywhere. You can put this in your bag or luggage or wherever if you travel. And it's pretty handy to have this little pouch over here. And when you're done, you can just put it back. I know I talk too much. But anyway, the first thing that I'm gonna take in this pouch is this. This is the instructions on how to apply this eyebrow stamp. That at the front and also on the back. And then the next one is this thing in this plastic. This one is a sponge brush. Like you just have to put the product on the sponge. You just have to apply it using the stencils. And the next one, this one is the angled brush. This is the spoolie. And what else in this little pouch? I have here 2 packages of stencils. You just have to pick the right one or the one that you like. And let's open this plastic bag. I have 5 on this one. The other one is there's also 5. Basically, there's 10 stencils. It's by numbers. There's number right there, number 1, and there's number 2 right here. This one is on the left side and this one is on the right side for the right and one for the left. So you just have to pick, you know, the numbers. And also they have this line right here if you want it longer, and then the other line is if you want it shorter brows. So that's that. And the last one that they have in this pouch is this pomade. So I'm going to try this one and see how it looks on my eyebrows. Right now, there's none, it's bare. I'm going to put the camera closer to my face so you will know how I do it or how it looks on my eyebrows. Right there. So I'm going to choose what number do I have to pick. I don't know what design I like. I'm not really sure yet. Maybe this one, the design. And this is number 2. I'm going to pick on the other side also. Number 2. There it is. I'm gonna use the pomade and I'm going to brush my eyebrow first. I have a mirror right here. Let's try. I never done this before. This might take a while. I'll just do my best to get this on my eyebrow. The last line clear on the part where right here. See? I have this pomade ready. Take that product and ooh. Oh, that's quite a bit. I'm so excited. Anyway, let's do it. Let's get stamping. You know, you can get more product if you like, or if you want it just lighter color or not too heavy, you can do that. Or if you want it too heavy, you can add more product there. Ooh, okay. Yay. I have the arch there. Let's do more. The shape is not quite right. Yeah, I like that. Then I had to fix it, of course. Okay, it's not too bad. I like it. I know it's not perfect right now because, you know, I never used this eyebrow stamp before, and maybe later on I need to get used to it and how to apply this stamping or stamp to my eyebrows. This is my first time using this, so yeah, if you're not used to it, it takes time, but it's just a matter of practicing. I really like how it looks right now. To the other side, I'm going to use this other one on my left side, so I'm gonna get more product and this the pomade. Ooh. Yay. It's not quite the same as the other one. And then you can just brush it using this spoolie. Brush your hair, your eyebrows, if you want it perfect or even. But yeah, so far I really like it. Have to, you know, get used to this stamping. It's really pigmented and I like the color of this product too. And the stencil's not too wide when you put it on your eyebrows. And that's what it looks like right now. It's not thick. So you just have to brush it up or make it the same. Yay! Look at my eyebrows. The difference, the before and after, and this is the after. I like the shape and I like the color, and also, you know, right now it's not perfect. The color, it just matches my hair. So far, yay! That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.